Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I got a new toy and I wanted to play with it and show you guys how this works. I don't know if you would, some of you may have one and some of you may think you need one. So I thought I would go ahead and make a, it's called an explosion card punch board. I saw someone on YouTube making a card out of this, and I just thought it was so cool. So I thought, let me order one and see, how cool it actually is. So all I did was take off the plastic so it wouldn't glare as much. So in here, we get the rubber bands that we need for the box, and then two stamps. One says pull here and one says hold here. And then under the scoreboard, we get the punch board, we get the instructions. So that is what the packaging looks like. See what the back. And the back just gives a brief introduction to the card. So let me move that. And let's make a card, guys. I'm so excited to make a card. So these are the instructions. Oh, okay, well, let's see. Cardstock, 12 by 12. Okay, and I am going to use this. It doesn't say what weight to use, so I'm going to give this a try. This one is from something I had left over from Easter. It's an Echo Park paper, and I did get this in my design team package. And then I'm also going to use the Mente Vacation for this, because I think I'm going to layer this box. Yeah, like that. I'm going to layer it like that. So let's start off with this. Align right edges of paper. Okay, so I have to align this right here. And then it says score paper at all score lines, numbered 1 through 8. And guys, I don't like, it does come with a score tool, but I like to use mine with any board. Okay, so 1 through 8. So I'm going to turn it this way a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I scored all the lines. Okay, after that it says rotate the paper this way. Score all the lines 1 through 7. Okay, so we don't do number 8. Oh, then we have to cut. So let me move this for a minute. So we have to cut all the red lines. Where do I start? Okay, let me start right here. two lines right here, guys. They don't show two lines. I don't know why. But I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I've cut that out, and paper should look like this after cutting, with the exception of that line. Now I need to bring my scoreboard back up. I think I flip it over. Right here it says box. And it says to flip it over and do it again. And then we do the other corner. Okay, so I've done that. Rip paper notches above pinched or punched hearts. So these are the little notches they want me to rip. Okay. Glue triangle edges and bottom edge. Okay, to form the box. So I am going to fold all my score lines. So the triangle looks like it's gonna go to the inside. Okay, so I need to glue this. Where's my glue? Here it is. So I'm gonna glue these together. This is the inside of the box, guys. So we glue the right sides together. All right, and then we need to glue this. I'm gonna glue it to the inside. Here is our box. Use some thick rubber bands. Alright guys, I just hooked it from one heart to the other, and when we fold it, we're to fold it this way. So it goes down. Okay. So before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some layers on there. I did cut some layers out of the Mente vacation paper. All right, so I've got some layers on my card. Now the next thing we need to do is make a tray. So 5 by 5 on the paper card. You know what? I'm going to use some heavier cardstock for that because I think it holds the card itself. Okay, this is 5 by 5, and let's see what we're supposed to do here. Bring my board back in. Okay, and there's a little, okay, right here it says tray. So I need to align my paper with where it says tray, and I am to score line 5. And then flip it over and do the same. And then flip this over, flip my board over. there's another one that says tray right here. So my lines should be going this way. I need to and then flip it over and do it again. That's a hard punch, guys. And then I am to cut that off. And then I have to fold along the score line. Okay, and that's it. This is supposed to fit right there. Okay. And now we're going to make the envelope. Okay, this is 8 by 8, and I have to line it where it says envelope. It says envelope right here. Okay. And I have to score lines 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Rotate it 180 degrees. 3 and 4. Okay. Align left edge of paper along raised indicating. Okay, so I flip this over again. And then this little corner right here says envelope. So align that. It has to be a corner. There we go. Okay, that corner. All right. Oh, and I flipped it over and do the same. So we're gonna do all 4 corners. Okay, that was all 4 corners. And then we just fold. Okay, there is our envelope. Dude, they want us to make confetti. We're not making confetti. See that? Okay, so it looks like I need to use this. Pull it here, goes right there. Oh, you know what? Let me put something right there. Now, let me move this so I don't get ink all over it. Oh, cute. I'm gonna try this one. Oh, I like that. Some good stamps, guys. Okay. All right, guys. I have star confetti. I'm gonna use these little hearts here. So let me see where I'm supposed to put all of this. Oh, it says insert confetti above the box. Okay, we can do that. Okay. So I'm gonna put my rubber band back in. So as you can see, it just going into that heart. And then the other side, sorry, just going into this heart. Okay, but when we fold it, Gotta fold it this way. And we can even write a message on the back or on right here, really. Okay, so we are going to put our confetti right there. I'm going to put some more, guys. I just want to keep it from bouncing on me. Nice dark confetti. Man, a glitter bomb. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so let me move this stuff out of the way. Okay, guys, here we go. We're gonna put this in there. We're gonna try this out. And that fits in the envelope nicely. You can actually decorate the front. Maybe put a Velcro closure, not glue it down. So they open it up this way. It says pull here, hold here. Get ready, guys. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, guys, I really like that. That was so much fun. Let's do it again. Okay, so it does hold everything nice and neat. And this envelope is 110-pound cardstock, and that's what I would recommend. The box itself, it really doesn't matter as long as it's not too thin to where it's gonna tear where your rubber band tension is at. And this is 110-pound cardstock as well, because they're gonna be pulling that. That's why I went ahead and got heavier cardstock. So they open it up, they hold it here, and they pull right there. Ready? That is so much fun. Oh yes, guys, I know I'm gonna get plenty of use out of this die, or this punch board. Guys, this is so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that, because it was a lot of fun. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will talk to everyone later. Have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot.